Hello everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how to make some artisan style bread using our new Crème de Levain, which is made with spelt flour instead of rye. This is giving us a different flavour profile to the Crème de Levain that you may be already familiar with. But we're going to be doing overnight fermentations, one with a very, very small amount of yeast and one with no yeast at all. So we begin with the white flour, adding some wholemeal spelt flour to help develop the flavour overnight, some salt, a little bit of yeast, and the crème de levain. Here goes the water. We have to let this run for 3 minutes on slow speed and then 3 minutes on fast. I'm taking the dough out, I'm going to put it into this lightly oiled tray and leave it for an hour to ferment. Right, so this dough has now had an hour of bulk fermentation. As you'll see, after the bulk fermentation, our dough is now much more extensible, which is what we want to see. So I'm going to scale off at 500 grams and then loosely rolled into rounds. And let those rest 15 minutes. So I've got some bannetons already prepared here, some different shapes. And these I've prepared by dusting very heavily with the mixture of wholemeal spelt flour and white flour, just pressing the flour into the indents just to make sure that the dough doesn't stick when it's in there overnight. So we're going to start with the round. Just make a gentle, nice round shape, and then we'll pop it in seam side up. And then I'm going to cover it with some plastic just to hold the moisture in. Then that's going to go into the fridge to prove overnight. Right, so now we're going to load the oven with the bread that's been fermenting overnight. Just going to put some cuts in the top. So here we have the bread that's been made with a tiny bit of yeast, so it's been fermenting overnight in its shape, and it's just come out of the oven. Notice there's not a huge amount of spring, which is what I would expect really with a spelt loaf, because the spelt flour tends to have a slightly dampening effect on the volume. Nevertheless, I'm expecting there to be lots of lovely flavours. So let's have a look. Beautiful, really lovely, lovely, lovely flavour. And you'll see there's some slight openness here. So we've got a slightly open texture, beautiful crust, no bone on the bottom, so it's a really lovely looking loaf inside. Wow, that's lovely. There's no butter on this, but it has a really buttery flavour. It's quite extraordinary. Earthy, nutty, buttery, light, beautiful crust. Delicious.